If you're someone who sits through a lot of meetings, conducts interviews, or just needs to remember important phone calls, and you're tired of frantically typing notes while trying to actually pay attention, this video is for you. I've been testing the Nota Memo for the past few weeks, and I want to give you an honest breakdown and whether it's actually worth your money. The Nota Memo is about the size of a credit card. You can slip this into a shirt pocket and just pretty much forget that it's even there. The build is a solid aluminum with this diamond cut pattern. It looks nice and feels premium. It's not plasticky or cheap. There's a 2-button interface on the front with a small display that shows your recording status and battery level. On the side, you've got the physical toggle switch that flips between live mode and call mode. More on that in a second. For charging, it uses a magnetic cable and you can go from 0 to full in about an hour and a half. Battery life is pretty solid. In my testing, I got through about 2 weeks of moderate use before needing a charge. Here's where things get interesting. The Nota Memo has 2 distinct recording modes. The live mode, which is your standard voice recorder function, you use this for meetings, lectures, interviews, anything where you're recording ambient audio. Audio quality in a quiet room was excellent. The noisier environments captured the main conversation, but you do get a lot more background noise. So in the call mode, this is a more unique feature. You flip the toggle, attach the device to the back of your phone using the included magnetic ring, or if you have MagSafe, you can use that as well. And it uses a bone conduction microphone to pick up both sides of your phone call. This actually works surprisingly well. I tested on several calls and it captured both my voice and the other person's voice with decent clarity. One important note, you're going to want to remove your phone case for the best results, or use a thin silicone case. So like if you have thick cases on your phone, it'll block the vibration and the audio quality drops noticeably. So if you do sales calls, interviews, or any kind of important phone conversations, this feature alone could justify the purchase. So now let's talk about the AI side of things, because that's really the selling point here. Once you've done your recording, the audio syncs to the Nota app, which is available on iOS and Android and the web, either over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. From there, the AI takes over. The transcription accuracy is generally impressive. It handles multiple speakers really well, and it labeled them appropriately. So beyond the transcription, you can generate AI summaries, extract action items, create mind maps, and export multiple formats. You got text, PDF, Word, even SRT for subtitles. There are also over 30 professional templates for different use cases like sales calls or medical appointments. The language support is decent at 58 languages. I was only able to test English. All right, let's break this down into a rating system, scoring across 5 categories, each out of 5. So we got design and portability is genuinely pocketable. The build quality is premium and the magnetic charging is convenient. 5 point off because the display is quite small. So I gave it a 4.5 out of 5. The audio quality is excellent in controlled environments, good in moderate noise, but struggles in very loud settings. The bone conduction for calls is a nice bonus. Gave it a 4 out of 5. So the AI and transcription, the accuracy is solid. The app is well designed. And then the additional features like summaries and action items are generally useful. So 4 out of 5. So the battery and the storage. The device gives you 32 gigabytes, which gives you up to 2,000 hours of recording, and the battery life is excellent. And give that a 4.5 out of 5. The value for money at $149 plus potentially a subscription if you need more than 300 minutes a month. It's not cheap. Whether it's worth it depends heavily on your use case. I'm going to give that a 3.5 out of 5. Overall, I'd say this is a 4.1 out of 5. So here's my take. You primarily do virtual meetings, and if phone call recording is important to you and want a slightly cheaper subscription than some of the other companies out there, the Nota Memo is the better choice. So is the Nota Memo worth it? Look, for most people who just attend occasional meetings, honestly, you probably get away with not needing it. However, your phone with a free transcription app will probably be fine. But if you're a salesperson who needs to document client calls, a journalist conducting interviews, a medical professional, a student that's sitting through hours of lectures, or really anyone whose job involves capturing and reviewing spoken information regularly, then yes, this device solves a real problem. Phone call recording feature is genuinely useful and works better than I expected. The transcription accuracy is solid. The build quality is excellent. The ecosystem and the app are well thought out. However, the catches are the subscription cost if you exceed the free tier, but at $149 plus the potential subscription, it's an investment. But if accurate transcription saves you even a few hours a month of note-taking or reviewing recordings, then the math works out pretty quickly. I'd like to thank Nota for sending this out for me to take a look at and test out and give my honest feedback. I'll leave links to everything mentioned in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.